In this video, you'll learn how to easily add an initial field to a document in Docusign, helping you make your signing process faster and more professional. First, head over to the Docusign website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top right corner and enter your account credentials. If you run into any issues, double-check your login details or use the password recovery option. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Templates option. You'll see a list of available templates, which are pre-designed documents you can use. Select the one that fits your needs or create a new template if necessary. Next, fill in the required document details, such as the recipient's email and document title. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Once everything is set, click the Next button to continue. Now you'll move to the editing stage, where you can add fields to your document. On the left-hand side, you'll see a toolbox with different options like text fields, checkboxes, and signature fields. From this panel, select the Initial field. Drag and drop the initial field onto the document where you want the signer to place their initials. Adjust the position carefully so it aligns well with the document layout. Once you've added the field, review the document to ensure everything is correctly placed. After confirming, your document is ready to be sent for signing. And that's it! You now know how to add an initial field in Docusign quickly and efficiently. Keep exploring more features to get the most out of your document workflow.